So, everything stopped. No, it smells like something burnt.
Look at the side of the house. Last
That's from it.
Wow.
Got a tree down.
Oh,
Jesus Christ. Did that thing get hit by lightning? Looks like it might have. Look at how it split.
no.
No, I mean, look at how, no. Look how it split, Dad.
I think it's just rotten, dog.
I don't know. Ah. Then we got a little lake over here going. It's a massive tree.
You know what? I think I gotta go see if we... I don't think we have a chainsaw anymore. Or do we?
I think we do. We got it somewhere. Yeah. I'm gonna go hide under the trees. So. Yeah. Yeah, up there's my room. Up there. This is not good weather, as I stated previously. What do we gotta look for again, Dad? Oh shit. Holy fuck. It's not that far away. It's really close by. Just keep an eye on that sky. Little poodle.
Ross, I don't think we have a chainsaw anymore.
Oh shit. Our mulberries all from that tree there. They're still falling. Oh damn! It did?
Yeah, look at it right there.
Uh-oh. Ladder down. Oh shit. Wasn't joking, Dad. See that white long thing there? Sorry, I don't have the resources right at the moment to fix that. Make it look more. But, my God. Skies are coming down on us. My God. My God. Let's see if there's anything else I can see over here. These things are still going. That was blown the other way now. Okay. So, let's see. What else we got? Ice here. Still coming down. And then we're back over here. So, I mean, just think about it, people. This is just the fun of it. Oh my God. What are we coming to now? Must have been too cold up there. I mean, just look at this. Those cherry trees are gonna be destroyed somehow. I wonder if our little birdies in here are okay. Hello, little birdies. Couldn't tell. A little cherry. Door County cherries. No, I'm joking. But seriously, those are Door County cherries. Which is a very Providence part of our state. And let's see what we got over here in my grandpa's garden. Cactus. Plants. Parts of something. The bench came all the way off. That's scary. It's coming that way. It's going towards Elkhorn, which is a little city. So, I mean, think about it. This place is pretty much flooded and iced out and everything. I got a weird piece of that spiral. It's a nice spiral piece. Rule number 1 of storm chasing: don't taste ice from the ground. Could have contaminants. Good though. Got it to start yet, Dad?
Trying.
That's just ballistic that the thing came down. So. The old chainsaw's not gonna work. Plunge it. I don't. Huh?
I tried that.
Okay. Well, this is where I'm gonna leave us off. Cutting the tree down. That tree. The dirty branch fell. Let's just go investigate it a little bit more. Until my dad gets there. Aha! Yeah! No, 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 no. Nice, Dad. Real nice and courteous. I'm joking, bullshit. Hey, it took the sign down. Here we go, people. What you all came to this for. Alright, I got it. I pull.
Hey, pull it out of the road.
Oh.
Put the phone down.